Alrighty guys, welcome back to another trading video, and today I'm going to be going over the trade I took. Today is Tuesday. I took one trade, caught around $580 something on both accounts, so around like 1,160 on the day. Today price wasn't bad. It was a very high and active news, like red folder news. There was 8 going into the day, so I was kind of patient, letting all the volatility in the market go, letting all the choppiness kind of chop, and then I would enter my trade. So I was kind of patient going into the day. My bias was very interesting, so without further ado, let's hop right into it. All right, we'll go right here. All right, so this right here is market open. This 930 candle, this kind of a breakaway gap. That's the 930 candle. So going into the day, I see that we still have Asia lows and London lows intact. I don't think we want to go there. I'm not waiting and wanting the market to come down to these lows. Because we had 8:30 news. So like around here, we had 8:30 news. This is at some sort a data high potential draw on liquidity that we created. We also have this high that is also still intact. So I want to see both of these be the draw on liquidity that we hit first before we go down to these London or Asia lows. So I'm bullish going into the day. Market opens, we kind of chop around, nothing really. 9:40, so 5 minutes into next red folder news. I'm waiting. We tap back into this BISI. What time? 2 minutes till. And keep in mind, alpha futures funded accounts, you cannot trade within the 4-minute threshold. So 2 minutes before news, 2 minutes after news, you cannot trade within that 4-minute threshold. So I was patient. So the 9:45 candle, I waited. We took out this low. I saw this as manipulation. I wanted to see price now go higher, so we create our 1-minute change in the state right here. 1-minute change in the state. Now I'm being patient. We have this first presented that we inversed. Now we're going inversing it again. I'm not seeing this as a respected for value gap, so I'm kind of just patient. I'm now looking internally on the 30-second. I see, okay, we inversed this 15-minute SIBI, 15-second SIBI, 30-second SIBI, my fault. We inversed that. Literally as this candle closed, I took my trade. It was a very quick entry. I took it like right here. Stop at this low, targeting above here. So it's almost a 1-to-1, 1.5. This is an initial term high that I want to see get taken. This would be my break even point here. So I would come here. I'm going to go back to the 1 minute. I put in around 3 micros on this trade, $500. I'm watching price. I'm watching immediately once we hit that high, stop break even. And then next candle we tap into it. So I was literally in this trade for 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 minutes. I was in this trade. It was super quick. Literally got done. It was almost basically a 1-to-1 RR. But I said this in my other video. You need to be more patient going into the days that you actually don't know where price wants to go. So I didn't know price. There's some good lows right here. London low, Asia low. I was bullish going into the day because I saw this data high. This created equal highs. I was very patient. I didn't know if we wanted to go lower. I didn't know if the market wanted to take out these lows then to go higher, or go higher then to take out these lows. So in my daily bias video, I said daily bias is a good thing to have, but if you don't have it, you have to sit and observe what the market is giving you and react to what it actually shows you. Because if I had a daily bias, because look on the daily chart, we have this daily for value gap right here. We have this daily for value gap. I could have been like, we were right here at this point in time. I could have been like, oh, we're gonna go lower. We inversed it, and I could have just stuck with that. No, I waited for price to actually give me confirmation. I had a little bias. Market, I think, wanted to go up, so I was kind of patient. We created all this. We're gonna take it all out at some point. going into the day. This is accumulation right here. I want to see us go lower and take out all these lows down here at some point in the week. But I was just completely patient going into trading. I feel like that's been a huge factor into my trading. I kind of rushed my trades. So like probably right here at this candle, I probably would have entered because I was thinking that these highs may have gotten taken, and I would enter and I would probably get stopped out. But I stayed patient. If the move went on without me, I would be completely fine with it. Created this perfect manipulation, 1 minute change in the state, 30-second inversion, entered, and then targeted above the initial term high, basically data highs. So patience is key to especially trading in December price action because it tends to be choppy. So I think about this trading day and the other trading days I've had in December where I have gotten stopped out, it's because I rushed into trades. I wasn't patient. I probably was super one-sided. I was honestly looking for shorts and longs, but whatever market was showing me, I was gonna take the trade based off what market was giving me. Alrighty guys, if you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to post daily trading recaps every day, even the days I don't actually trade. So I'm trying to stay updated. Recently I've been sick, so I haven't been really posting anything. I'll try to start to catch up on that. But 2 days from taking a payout, I'm super excited about that. But I'm gonna stay locked in, focused, and patient. So peace out, guys.